sa balikat. Yan. This veil symbolizes the oneness of the couple. Two has now become one. Placed at the man's shoulder and at the woman's head, showing the headship of the man and the wife's submission. This also shows a shoulder to cry on when times get tough. Linya ko yun. Ganda, di ba? Okay. This time yung chord po. Yan. Yan. Baka masalakal naman ano, ha? Ayan. Okay. This is a bond that cannot be broken. The strength of your marriage relies not on your own power, but on your relationship with Christ, the faithful one. Okay. This time yung pong coins. Coins. Ayan. This coin symbolizes the blessings and financial provisions. The man and the woman should honor God with their wealth. They should be good stewards. The man should be responsible enough to provide for his family and loving enough to share every blessing with her wife and future children, of course, kay Maddox din. Okay. Sige po. So this time, the couple has already agreed to pursue the sacrament of love in God as well as their parents. Today, I ask the principal sponsors to join them in establishing this agreement by signing the documents needed for them to continue this endeavor. So ito po yung ating mga certificate of marriage. Okay. May pen po ba? Ito po ay, uulitin ko to, ha? Ito nakakaligtaan ni Bestman at saka ni Maid of Honor. Okay? Para hindi umaba na. So, ang gagawin natin, isa lang muna pipirmahan. Okay? Pero after, habang nagkakainan tayo, I charge na kayong dalawa pupunta doon sa mga, para makompleto yung copies nila for